I'm Noreen and welcome to my kitchen and another installment of The Holidays Are Coming. Today I am pleased to bring you a collaboration that is a virtual cookie exchange. I will be joined by two other fantastic YouTube ladies who will be making different holiday treat videos for you. One is Beth of the Cooking and Crafting channel, and she's going to be making some rum balls, and Sara of the Simply Sara channel, and she's going to be sharing her recipe for pfeffernuss, which is a highly spiced Christmas cookie that I know you won't want to miss. So come on and join me today while I share with you my recipe for orange-scented chai shortbread with an orange glaze. Let's go see how we make these. Alright, before we jump right in, I wanted to share with you that this is a collaboration that I am doing for Christmas treats. I'm calling it a virtual cookie exchange, and I decided to host this, and I thought it would be a lot of fun. I invited a lot of different YouTubers to participate. Unfortunately, several of them had previous engagements and were unable to, kind of participate this year. Next year, I said I'm going to do Christmas in July, and I'm not kidding. So, and then everybody will have lots of time to prepare. In any case, I'm doing this collaboration with Beth of the Cooking and Crafting channel and Sara of the Simply Sara channel, and I'm so happy to be doing this with them. We're all going to be making a special Christmas treat for you today, and I hope that you'll use the links down below and go and check out their channels after you finish watching my video today. Today, we're going to be making a orange-scented chai shortbread. So to get started, I am not doing an ingredient overview because I'm going to let you know that I have the recipe available for you on my website. And if it's not available immediately upon the release of this video, it will be within 24 hours. You guys have to understand it takes a little bit of time to build the page and get the website to render and get it all ready for you. So if it's not ready immediately, it will be shortly. What you're going to need is 2 sticks of softened butter, so that's a cup of butter softened. I have the zest of 1 orange and 6 chai tea bags. So this is a chai spice tea, and this is, let me show them, honey. This is the tea I'm using. And I know that chai means tea in Indian, so it's kind of redundant to say chai tea. I get that. But this has classic chai spices in it. It has black peppercorn, cinnamon, cardamom, and star anise, and it's got black tea in here. So I opened it up. I was planning on grinding it further in my coffee grinder, but this is really fine. So I just popped those 6 tea bags open, and in it goes. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to whip the butter with the orange zest and the tea because all the spices are already in there. And because fat is a flavor carrier, the flavors from the spices and the tea are going to infuse in the butter. So we're going to go ahead and whip this for just a moment. Now I'm going to add a cup of powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar, and we're going to incorporate that with the butter and the spices. Yeah, I probably need to put the shield on. And now we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Shortbread is so forgiving. It's lovely to make, and you can flavor it up so many ways. And I'm just kind of doing this after dinner, so I'm not making a big deal out of it. And I wanted to show you how easy it is to throw this together. So we're going to go ahead and put the lid back on and give this a mix. our dough is all ready. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clear, and I'm going to come back, and we're going to actually take this dough, press it out on a floured board, and we're going to make circles. So we're going to cut this out with a cutter. So I'll be right back. I have rolled out my dough. I've almost finished up here, and I rolled it out about 1/4 inch thick. That's really about as thick as you want it. These are not going to puff. They should not spread hardly at all. But I'm just taking a round cutter and I'm making little round cookies. And I think we should get close to 2 dozen cookies out of this recipe, maybe a few more. I have one full pan right now, all ready to go. So, if you want to re-roll it, you can go ahead and do that. Just don't add so much flour to your board that you're going to end up with a tough cookie. You don't want that. And this last one, I'm just going to go ahead and press it out with my hands. And then we'll just bake off the rest of that. I have one pan ready to go, so here we have 2 dozen cookies. Depending on how you roll it out, you're either going to get a few more or just the right number that you need. So we're going to pop these in the oven. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. And these are going to go in there for 12 to 15 minutes. You don't want them to brown, you just want them to be done. So we'll check them at 12 minutes, and then we'll bring them out when it's time, and we'll bring it back when that happens. All right, our cookies have cooled, and I just made a simple icing glaze with 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed orange juice, and a tablespoon of water, or thereabouts, to get to the consistency that I prefer. So if you are interested in learning how to make an icing glaze, then I will link you to my video on how to make a simple icing glaze. You can flavor this up any way you like. You can put vanilla extract in it instead of orange juice. You can put all orange juice instead of the orange juice and water. It's just that I didn't have another orange to do more orange juice. So I just added some water to get to the consistency that I like. So what I'm doing is I'm just gently holding my cookie, and I'm dipping the top, and I'm letting the excess drip off, and then I'm just going to pop it on the wire rack and allow that to dry. I am going to do one other thing before this glaze dries completely. Make sure it's on the rack. Is I'm going to put a little piece of candied orange peel on the top, just so everyone knows there's orange in that there cookie. And when you just put it on the rack there, it'll start to dry, and it will get a nice crust on it. Now you want to store these in an airtight container with in between sheets of parchment. And you don't want to stack them too high, otherwise you're going to crush the glaze and your cookie will be ugly. These are perfect for gift giving. Give a stack of a half a dozen in a little cellophane bag to your coworkers. They'll love you forever. These are super flavorful. You can taste everything in this cookie. The benefit is you just bought a box of tea bags and you didn't have to buy all those expensive spices like star anise. If you don't think you're going to use that again, then, you know, it's in that tea bag already. So then what I have here is just a little bit of orange peel. Now let me get a fork and see. I might just use my fingers. And I might just go ahead and pop that little piece of orange peel right there in the middle. Just like that. It's simple and it's pretty. And that way everybody knows there's a little bit of orange in that cookie. Have it some delicious orange scented chai shortbread cookies with an orange glaze and a little bit of candied orange peel on top, just to be pretty. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will go and check out the other 2 folks who are joining me today on this virtual cookie exchange collaboration. That would be Beth of the Cooking and Crafting channel and Sara of the Simply Sara channel. I know that Beth is going to be making rum balls and that Sara is going to be making pfeffernusse, which is a spiced cookie that is not to be missed. I hope that you'll go check them out. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe today. I hope that you give it a try. I hope that you love it. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, happy holidays! Hi everyone, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I just wanted to remind you to please make sure that you go over to the Cooking and Crafting channel and the Simply Sara channel. If you're not already subscribed to these wonderful ladies, I highly recommend that you do. Go over there and hit the subscribe button, show them some love, and I guarantee that you're going to love seeing what comes out of their kitchens. So until next time, happy holidays! Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you liked what you watched today, and I hope that you try it, and I hope that you love it. If you like what you saw, please consider hitting the thumbs up button and giving me a positive rating. And also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you're already not a subscriber so that you don't miss out on any of the fun we have here in our kitchen every single day. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm really glad that you're here. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to come by tomorrow. Until next time, happy eating!